Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact symptom: no sound on calls through earpiece or speaker. First, disable Bluetooth and place the call on speaker to separate headset issues from phone output. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient audio service faults and make sure you have the latest OS update installed because bug fixes often restore call audio. If you're ready, move to the targeted audio subsystem checks. Don't guess. Isolate speaker versus earpiece versus external device. Now you dig into permissions and diagnostics to fix the call audio. First, open settings and confirm phone and VoIP IP apps have microphone permission. Revoked access mutes incoming audio paths. Next, run the built-in hardware test or diagnostics mode to check earpiece and speaker output. This tells you if it's hardware. Then, clear cache and data for the phone app and reinstall or update that app because corrupt app data often silences audio. After these steps, proceed to the last corrective actions. Finally, if software fixes fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove persistent configuration faults. This often restores call audio. If sound still fails, inspect and gently clean the earpiece grill. Dust can block sound. Use a soft brush and avoid liquids. If diagnostics report hardware faults, contact an authorized repair center for earpiece or board replacement. Quick troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, record failures with time and app used. This helps technicians pinpoint the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.